Hi all, 08 here. This is my top box on the CB500X, and it's been brilliant, absolutely fantastic, other than this bit has split, completely split, which is a bit of a pain really. I was speaking to Lurch on a bike the other day, and he suggested I look at this. So I am looking to use Q-bond to actually fix this connector here, because it's totally sheared off right at that bit there. So let's get into it. What I've got here, I've got some pins, and apparently with Q-bond, quick bonding ultra strong adhesive, you use the pin, of course, like any usual one, to initially open up this tube. But after you've actually used it, you put the pin in there and you leave it in. And that retains it rather than all of the adhesive suddenly going rock hard and then it's the end of it. So you've got two of these in a pack, less than 10 quid off eBay. Two of these. And what you've also got is grey filling and reinforcing powder and black filling and reinforcing powder. What I'm going to do here today, I'm just going to first of all glue one side of this bit, glue all of that, lift it up and attach it and hold it in right against it with a bit of pressure for about 10 seconds, and that should bond it at first. Then afterwards I'm going to put some powder along the outside and along the inside to see if that will actually fully reinforce it. But I've got plenty of opportunity to piss about and do it, because if it doesn't work the whole thing's bloody wrecked anyway. You can't get new tops to these, and frankly the way that these are put in makes it seemingly extremely difficult. So I want glue there, 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 all the way along that, then lift that up and attach it. Okay, let's... Ow. Right. I don't really want to get this all myself. And you only do one side because glue doesn't stick to glue apparently. This glue anyway. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to give it a bit bloody longer. Well, it's definitely stuck together. Whether it's well stuck together is a different question. Okay, what I might do is build the whole of this up inside there with this black powder. Just build that, and it builds rock hard apparently. Now the black powder comes in these little bottles, and when I've seen it on YouTube, and they go everywhere, and I really think they could come up with a better bottle really. But let's see. Okay. Now this should be pretty quick. When that bonds, it bonds like rock, don't it? Maybe I should put a bit on top of touch in there. Okay. Right, I'm going to continue going round, and I want to put a little bit along there, and a little bit along there, and then go on the inside of it and do the same on there. I've no idea whether this is going to work. I really don't, but we'll see. I want a better way to get into that really. With this stuff. I'm going to see if I can find something to be able to place it very, very, very clearly along the lines, rather than having it sticking and ruining the actual hinge bit. That seems to have gone rock hard. I have no idea whether this is going to work, but let's see. Anyway, I'm going to do the inside, and I will let you know at some other point. Does Q-Bond repair almost anything? Okay, in terms of getting inside, the crack on the inside is all the way through. So I think what I'm going to do is just pack that whole area in there with the powder, and that'll do. Let's get a bit of powder that's left in there. Okay. And it's all going in. I can build that up. Do it once, then do it again, then do it again. Let's see what happens now. And add more glue. To reinforce it. And this will be the last one. That, I reckon, is as good a fix that I can do. Nice little bodge job. Saves me 150 quid in buying a brand new top box.